Today, we're creating a 3-minute YouTube video about traditional Italian almond cookies, also known as Amaretti. These delightful treats are a beloved staple in Italian cuisine, and they're surprisingly simple to make at home. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups of ground almonds, or you can use almond flour. 2 large egg whites. 1 cup of sugar, or you can replace it with 2/3 cup of honey, or 1 cup of coconut sugar for a more natural option. 1 teaspoon of almond extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is optional. A pinch of salt. And finally, powdered sugar for dusting, which is also optional. You can replace this with finely ground coconut sugar if you prefer. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Then, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This step ensures that our cookies bake evenly and don't stick to the pan. In a large mixing bowl, whisk the egg whites until they become foamy but not stiff. Next, add the ground almonds or almond flour, the sweetener of your choice, whether it's sugar, honey, or coconut sugar, along with the almond extract, vanilla extract if you're using it, and a pinch of salt. Gently stir the ingredients together until a sticky dough forms. If you're using honey, the dough will be slightly softer, but don't worry, it will firm up as it bakes. Shape the cookies. Using a tablespoon or your hands, scoop small portions of the dough and roll them into balls. Place the balls on the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each. Flatten slightly with your fingers. Optional dusting. If you like, dust the tops of the cookies with a little powdered sugar or finely ground coconut sugar for a healthier option. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes, or until the cookies are lightly golden on the edges but still soft in the center. Avoid overbaking to ensure they remain chewy. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. If you use honey as a sugar substitute, reduce the oven temperature slightly to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius to prevent over-browning, and the cookies may be slightly softer and chewier. Coconut sugar gives a more caramel-like flavor and slightly darker color to the cookies. These soft and chewy almond cookies are perfect for a light dessert or served with coffee.
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.